Flower imagery this Valentine's Day 2018. Get your sweetie some flowers that aren't gonna die, like those florist flowers. Yeah, find it through Crest Complex Links or Daffodilia. Either one of my portfolio sites there with Daffodilia. Download. Over 18,000 images. And plenty of flower imagery and that stuff. And plenty of other stuff to print out. Look for it. You're bound to find something you like. Download, print out. It's 4x6 prints, like print out your family's photos. It's graphic art. Go check me out and print out what you like.